Online people, this is one of the student project yesterday we hosted in the website. In internet, in entry panel, just you have to tell this URL react.repository.clear.versel.app. Whose project is this? What's your name? Arshita website. In entry, just you can tell the URL Arshita. In resume also you can maintain that URL. In resume, if you maintain that URL, so that he will open that project and he can tell that okay, he can check that what the project you done, right? Click on the add cart. So if you want anyone, just you can open this website. This is one of the student, one of your friend is done this example. Like that online people, yesterday I told you that what I told you yesterday. Complete that GitHub account. Open that URL once. That is one of the student project. Anyone, your project is what? Your URL tell me. How many of yesterday I hosted project license? Yesterday hosting is done. Any host anymore? Good. Tell me URL. What is the URL?
Quick-cart.
QI.
CK.
Quick.
Cart.
Hyphen Carter.
CART.
Hyphen Carter. Quick card directly.
Direct. Dot hyphen PI.
Hyphen.
PI. PI. P.
Quick card hyphen PI.
Dot Versel dot app.
Nice. These websites are going like Versel dot. See, for all websites, Versel dot app is the common name. Quick card hyphen PI. This is one of the student is done this hosted this website. Click on enter. See that output guys. Check the code work. URL works. QICK. Versel BRSCL, I think. Yeah, this is a project, one of the project your student is done. React project. Click on the veg items. Fresh vegetables are loaded. Click on the add to cart. Then cart is increased. Open the cart. Wow, nice. This is the cart. 30% off. Apply the coupon code. What the coupon code? Why you are doing that? Rather than you can keep better slowly. What?
Google YUGAL.
YUGAL.
At the rate 10.
At the rate 10 now. Yeah, for the 10% discount, guys, see. This is one of the student you done the project. Go coupon discount, you will at the rate 10. You got a 10 you save like 16 rupees. Apply coupon is done. Buy all. Once you buy all, cart is empty. Go for orders history. Nice. This order history is maintained like time also. 9:31 you place one order. And the non-veg items. Nice, delicious non-veg items. Chicken agree dancing. Here chicken dancing. Here big cart is dancing. Big cart also dancing, right? You can see the dance. Here you see cart is dancing. Wow. That Bundy, right? Bundy going. What you can say? Online people, these are all the projects done by students. Like that, today I will tell you how to host your project. I told yesterday class create the GitHub account, right? This is one of the project created by one of your students. Click on wow button. Click on add to cart. This is what this. Yeah, click on add to cart. Click on the discount apply. Buy all. See the back bottom side. This is good actually. Copyright followers. This one. Click on the orders. Yeah, we got the 2 orders. Just now 9:31 you placed one order. Time 9:31. And this is second order you placed. Time 9:32. Total amount is what? 2731. And good. That is right. Contact us. Contact us web some web page here. Contact us. This is sign in process. Oh, nice. Welcome back. Username password, his username passwords. Online people, if you want, you can check this website also. One of the student is done this project. Like that, anyone tell me one more project? Girls, Ramya project I'm opening. Tell me Ramya. అయ్యి గుర్తుండో ఎంతో చదువులు మనకి ఏమంటారు రియాక్ట్ ఫన్ అఖిలాచే నైస్ అఖిలాచే అదోకే చూడు ఆ నేమ్ కరెక్ట్ విఆర్సిఎల్ డాట్ యాప్ అంతేనా ఏకే హెచ్ఐ అఖిల okay good yes click on enter now see this is Akila project. Akila, I think didn't change the slash URL, it seems 404 is coming after 2 minutes again it is reloaded now, not a problem. So guys, what the project you done, it is showing all the projects. Okay, Akila potato mirchi add to cart increased, onion add to cart increased, ఏంటిదా చిక్కుడుకాయలా yeah చిక్కుడుకాయ just add to cart, బెండకాయ కాకరకాయ కాయ. Yeah, this is Akila project, guys. Your cart items. Have you added the CSS that is showing like that? Click on apply cart and apply coupon. What is coupon, Akila? మీరు నా పేరు పెట్టరా? You will not give my name. Huh? Online people, you please check this Akila project also. Yeah, like that last project, tell me one project. Maybe చెప్పండి రా చెప్పురా రే నీకు చెప్పరా మైదా పిండి నువ్వే சொல்லு ఎస్టర్డే ఈవినింగ్ క్లాస్కి వచ్చా అరే ఎవరు యూఐ Yeah, yesterday we hosted this website, guys. One of the student, Satya, React dot Versel dot app. Hey Satya, React. That's it. Yeah, good. But nice project. Satya. Some names are very easily coming, right? Akila project and someone get the repository project. Repository project. Satya React project, guys. This is Satya React Versel. Yeah, this is one of the student project. Wow, his images are, I think last night is work on the images. How the images are doing. What is this, Ravi's image? Poor guy. What is that? Picture. That is your talent. How we are showing in the CSS. I told the bootstrap and how to add the bootstrap, how to add the icons, and how to add what? CSS. Then you need to check, copy paste the code properly in the proper place. This is called veg items, guys. I think here from carrot, beetroot going fighting, and one even that is a cauliflower tree. Cauliflower. This is chicken on the barbecue. This is what? Hey, burger is dancing. Nice, right? And this is what? Milk is moving. Cake. Are you do one thing? You put your image, cut the cake like that. This is like orders, guys. Oh, Pen is writing the how many orders you taken. Wow. And this is which website you use for this one? Secret. Moving icon website. Hey, if you want, you can check this Satya React Versel. This is one of your friend is done this project. Not this one. 1 second. I will share this link. Satya Versel. Why your URL also not showing? Encrypted. Right click and copy this URL. Just you can paste this. Hey, Why not? Yes. Copy. Okay. I will paste into the here. Ah, it's rubber. You please check others will get this SATHYA Satya React. Yeah, Satya React. RACT dot VRCL dot app. You please check this website also once. Good. One last website, tell me. No, if I share these links to others, at least they'll get some clarity. Okay. If I'm absent, I will get the job in what? TCS. Coupon code. My name, hey, coupon code I want to apply. Thank you, Ran. Add to cart. Are somewhere put my name, better. Click on the add to cart. Cart is nice. Hey, this is the way cart is expected. It's very nice, guys. Yeah, go for the coupon name. This coupon name is what? RATAN 10. RATAN 10. Ratan 10. Wow. Ratan 10. Click on what? Apply coupon. Apply coupon. Yeah, we got the coupon code, right? Where is the coupon code, right? Your discount 10%. Okay, fine. Where is the coupon code apply? You got invalid coupon code. Huh? Where is the coupon amount then? Let me write the 20 here. But then discount amount? Wow, nice. Okay. Hey, one last website, tell me one more time. Anyone? One last website. Mommy, Japan girls. Secret at the website. Under Susan, my website. Chipma, you work now. Huh? ఆ హోస్ట్ చేయలేదా నీ పక్కన చేసినారు అనుకుంటా చేసినారుగా చెప్పు రియాక్ట్ ఐఫన్ వావ్ రియాక్ట్ ఐఫన్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ అంతే డాట్ vrcl dot app. Hey, this is the last project I'm going to show you. React project or React hyphen project? అది ఆ మాత్రం ఉండాలి చెక్ చేసుకోలేదు అసలు అది మొబైల్లో ఆ యూఆర్ఎల్ ఉంటుంది కదా యూ టెల్ మీ నేను హోస్ట్ చేసా నువ్వు నేను బిజీగా ఉన్నట్టు ఈవినింగ్ బిజీగా ఉన్నావు కదా వండండి చెప్పు రియాక్ట్ హైఫన్ ఫైనల్ hyphen project. Good. ఇదేనా లాస్ట్ వన్ ప్రైస్ fresh hyphen mart hyphen chi dot versel dot app. This is one of your friend is done this project. Just you can go for the web items. Contact. Okay. Google Maps. Click on non-veg items. Wow. Chicken 180 rupees, sir. Full chicken 180. Yeah? Fish. 2 fishes, 3 fishes. Hey, good. Go for the cart. Think yeah, it's like apply the discount, complete the purchase, go for the orders, and you got the orders like this. Fine, good. This is one of the project your friend is done. Nice. Online people, you check this all the websites. All the names are coming good, except your name, Medapindi. Yeah, that is the data, guys. Hey, you done the login, right? What's your name? KU NL Kunal K capital. Kunal @. See guys, here we got the login button. And who is asking this question? Hey Madhusani, you check this all the project. You do the project. That time you told that you done this project, okay? Sir, we will miss. Yeah. Click on what button? Login. This is a login button you got. Click on the login, guys. You enter the correct credentials. Username keep capital. Click on the login. Yeah. See, we done this. I shared this code also, right? This one. On Sunday, you discussed this concept, right? Good. Hey, see, you got this one. See, you got the login gone. We got the logout button. Madhusani, enjoy. Nora, that day you only talking. Madhusani, I shared this website, right? You check the websites. You create one website. Very nice. Darling. Click on logout. Once if you logout button is gone, login button you are getting, right? Nice, guys. Yeah, that is like a process. Online people, anyone done the GitHub account created? Anyone done the GitHub account? Yeah, I'll show you the process one more time. Love you check it who are absent yesterday. Yeah, you please host your project. Guys, open that GitHub website. Once if you open the GitHub website, there is a GitHub. Yeah, this is the GitHub we have. Open the GitHub website. Once if you open the GitHub. Yes, in GitHub, you please create the repository. To create the repository here, go for the right side here, plus create new repository. Create the new repository, asking the repository name. Give the repository name is like, give what? Repository name. Give the repository name. I given the Satya final React. Satya final what? React. Satya final React project. Click on make it as a by default. You can take the create the repository and make it as public only, no problem. Just click on what? Save, create. Once if you create the repository, because immediately when you create the repository, then you will get the some commands here. Don't close it, see the commands. Git init, git add, git commit, git branch, git remote, git push. These are all the commands we need to run. To run these commands, just open the Visual Studio Code. In Visual Studio Code, what we done, the Visual Studio Code React final project, this one, React final project copy file. Go for the terminal, click on the new, click on what? New terminal. Go for what? Click on the terminal, click on the new terminal. Once if we click on the new terminal, tell me guys, here we need to run the project commands. What are the commands we need to run? Tell me here. The first one is what? Git init. After creating the repository, you can see the commands directly. Git init, go and what? Just enter the git init. Initializing empty git repository. Initializing what? Empty git repository. After the git init, second one is what? Git add. Git add readme file is there, guys. You don't write that readme file. Just you can write the git add dot. Git add what? Dot. Click on enter. Some warnings you'll get, leave it. That's not a problem. Because next one is what? Git commit. Just you can copy that command and go with what? Just git commit command. Click on enter. Then these all the files are what? Committed. Once these all the files are committed, tell me guys, all the files are what? Committed. Next one is what? Git branch main. Guys, make it as main branch here. Just you can make it as main branch. After getting the main branch, you get a git remote or add origin. See Satya final React project, final React.git. You will get that link. Just you can click on enter. After that, next command is what? Git push -u. First time who are doing that work, you will get some authentication. You have to enter the username and the email ID. Because you enter the GitHub account is created, right? You will get the pop-up and we need to open that pop-up, guys. Then here you can go for the git push. Once if you click on the git push, these all are pushed to the React project. All are what? Git remote permission to denied to okay. Unable to access. Git requested you return the 403. 403 because of I didn't have the access. Because in my system I have the multiple gits. This is a occupied with Rathanayani project. Occupied with what? Rathanayani project is occupied. Yeah, that is a push we have to do. Git what? Push. Hey, you please run this command. Online people, anyone? You please tell me who done the push operation. How many commands you have to run? Just these are commands you need to run. First, you need to go with what? Git init. And these are the commands. You just run the commands. Yeah, these are the commands. Only we need to change one small thing. Git add time. Git just you can go for the dot add. Git init, git add, git commit, git branch, git remote, git push, and just like that, guys. These commands you have to run. Once if you run the commands, then pushing is done perfectly. After push is done, you just open the website like Versel.com. Website is what? Versel.com. Open the website like Versel.com. What is the website name here? VRCL, Versel.com. If you open the Versel.com, there you can log into your mail ID here. Just you can go for the website like what website is here? We are once the push operation done, guys, do the push operation. After that, what am I? Versel. Versel.com you can do. And once the Versel.com is done, see guys, once the Versel project in my system, I opened what? Rathan's project, fine. Good. See guys, import the project. You can see the import project option. Click on the import project. If you click on the import project, then what it is showing them? Continue with GitHub. Continue with what? GitHub. If you continue with GitHub, click on the continue with GitHub. Once if you continue the GitHub, it is asking the GitHub URL. So in my system, I have the Rathan 525 like that. And the password is what? RTAN like that. Just click on what? Sign in. Once if you click on the sign in, then it's asking that, update fine. Good. Yeah. So authorize Versel. If you authorize a Versel, see this kind of points you should do that activity. See guys, once the Git is done, yeah, click on what? Install. Once if you click on the install, continue what? Continue what? Rathan and all repositories you have to click because we are installing like in my account how many repositories? One repository, multiple repositories are. All the repositories are imported to Versel website. One repository, all repository imported to Versel website. Click on what? Install. Once if you done the installation, now you can see the magic here. These all the projects are there in my project. See guys, Satya final project, Satya React, config data, microservice config. These all the projects are there in my GitHub. Like that, how many repositories are there? All are imported. All are what? We need to give the GitHub URL. Click on what? Install. Click on what? Install. Okay, this is Satya React, Satya final React, something like that. Satya React is there. This is yesterday evening we done, 16 hours ago. This is what? 5 minutes ago. Just now we done this repository, right? Satya final project. You click on just import, guys. Once if you click on the import, now see the data here. Deploy option you can see. Directly click on the deploy. What option? Deploy. If you click on the deploy, then what happened here? Then it is deployed. But in my system, the project is not pushed, right? That's what. Rathanayani project, I have some company project in the Git actually. That's what it won't be accepted. See guys, if everything is deployed, see, import different Git repository, browse the templates like that we have. That is like deployment you will get. Just click on what? Deploy, then you will get what? Deployment. See guys, already existed, used in rename. Satya final project. Good. Yeah, that is a project we need to do. Click on the import. Satya React, click on what? Deploy. Once if we click on the deploy, I think the data is not pushed. That's That's why it's not coming. Provided Git repo does not contain the requested branch to commit. See guys, which does not contains what? Data. Because did I push the not pushed up? Not pushed. That's the point. So then what we have to do here? Run this command. Push operation is done. Once the push operation is done, go to what website guys here? Versel.com website. What website? Versel.com. Once the Versel.com website, we need to deploy the project. We need to deploy what project? Hey, online people, anyone done the like GitHub? I'll show the process once. GitHub account. Online people. Hello, online people. You anyone done the GitHub? Hello, online people. Hey, online people can hear me. That is the process. If anyone done the GitHub, I'll show you the process. Otherwise, you do it. Bye bye. Yeah, పట్టపట్టింది. నేనే అడుక్కుంటా ఉన్నప్పుడు. Hello. Anu, did you install the GitHub? GitHub is account created. Sai, Siva, Vishnu, Vivek, Srikanth, anyone? Hey, first you tell me, can you hear me first? Can you hear me? Yeah, that's it guys. What's Soumya account created a GitHub account. GitHub account created or not created? Sir. Soumya, just I'll show you the process. You try to first you complete project. Some basic project is done. Na? Some basic project is done. Hey, Ram is there. Yesterday Ram is responding. Ram is not there. Ramya. What about Ramya? Ramya account is created. GitHub account. Yeah, online people, you done that work, huh? That's all we done with the that is we done with the React. If you want anything, just you can check our offline student websites. These are the offline students websites. Just we need to install the GitHub, create the repository, install what? What are the steps we have to tell me guys? Create the account on Tell me, speak out. Create the account on what? Create the account on what? GitHub. After creating account, what? Create the repo. After creating the repo, now you will get some comments. After creating what? After creating the repo, we will get some commands. You'll get what? Some commands or just these are the commands you will get. These commands you should run. Open the, tell me, Visual Studio Code. Open what? Visual Studio Code. Open the Visual Studio Code. What we have to do? Open the Visual Studio Code. Video production. Hey, did you done the complete deployment? Ram, you share your screen, then I'll show you the process. Again, after sharing, you don't leave the meeting. Huh? Yesterday also you done the same. Ram, did you share the screen? I'll give the access. Ram. Sir, show me the deployment. I'll hear your voice. Last time today, sir. Sir, yesterday network problem is, sir. Sunita, at least today no problem, right? You share your screen, no, Sunita? I'll give the access to you. Just you can share your screen once, so that you will show the process to everyone, so that they will do after the class. What's your name? Sunita. Sunita. Make a host. Click on yes. Stop. Yeah, Sunita, open the GitHub account. All of you see the process. Open the GitHub. Yeah, go for the plus repository, Sunita. Click on the repository plus. Right side, we have the plus operator, right? Right side, right side. Right side top corner. Yeah, give the repository name Satya React. Click on the create repo Satya React. Nice. Click on the create the repository. Once if you click on the create repository, repository is created, you'll get some commands. Wait. Yeah, now open your project, Visual Studio Code. The above commands you have to check. Open Visual Studio Code, Visual Studio Code. Who don't know, come to screen side, just you can see the process. Screen calendar, maximum screen. No, not that one. Visual Studio Code, sorry. Visual Studio Code. Find your Visual Studio Code. Open your project. Online people, remaining people watching, right? Can you see all the screen, right? Other people. Yeah, go to the your project, open it. Project. You just run the project once, show me the output, what you're getting output now. Go for the about dot. After selection, menu bar. Above menu bar. File menu, edit menu, dot is there, right? That one above. File, edit, selection. There dot is there last. npm run dev you can type first. npm run dev. Maximize that window, Visual Studio Code. Yeah, npm run dev. Sunita, how you done your project? How you are running everyday project? Do like that. Close the Visual Studio Code one more time, open. Which project you are running every day? Did you complete that add to cart that showing the veg items that example? React.js concepts. Okay. npm run dev. We click on npm run dev, click on enter. Ah. Okay. What Sunita, are you getting output? Hey, other people who done the project, show me here. Other people, anyone done the project? Basic project at least. Since I'm asking that e-commerce website, add to cart. See guys, you don't work on this all games and all, useless. Please focus on the add to cart e-commerce websites. HGGG, what is this? Some pending, sir. How much you done? At least add to cart button is working, showing the images at least. No, sir. Nice. Okay, fine. This is what the code you done. What is this? PLA plant submit. You own Okay, this website will host at least you do one thing. Open the Visual Studio Code. Open Visual Studio Code. That is which this is which project, just you can open the Visual Studio Code. Not this world code. This is the project, huh? I think that this one React.js concept may be opened. Close this Visual Studio Code, this one. Open folder. React concepts, I think. Okay, now we open that command prompt. Maximize the screen. Now, which project you want to deploy? Sunita, you please close this Visual Studio Code first. You close this Visual Studio Code. Close the Visual Studio Code. Close it. Change directory, na? Okay, change directory. Yeah. Close anyway. Close all the Visual Studio Codes. Close it. This one also. Now open the new Visual Studio Code. This is which project you are running? Check the command prompt. What the project name? Only open that project in the Visual Studio Code. Open the Visual Studio Code now. Yeah, this is the project, right? Oddly clone, something like that. Yeah. Now open the terminal. New terminal open. Open the Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code terminal. Terminal of your project. Run the above commands. Run the above commands. After running above commands, your project is pushed to. Your project is what? Pushed to your GitHub. Once your project is pushed to GitHub, create the account in Versel.com. VRCL Versel. Create account in Versel.com. After creating account in Versel.com, what we need to do? Import the project from GitHub. After importing the project from the GitHub, tell me guys, import the project from what? GitHub. And click on the deploy. That is the process we have to do. Yeah, you can do the project process test. Bye. Online people, don't be like this. Be careful and always interview try to show like some project what you done in the either Python or Java, .NET or React. I know only hello world application is not going to work out in the real time. Try to some work hard because you want jobs in the software companies. It means be focused about the career and be focused about the work. Huh? Bye guys. I'll give you just 10 minutes time. If anyone is doing the work, if you have any questions, you tell me. Bye.
Audio Jungle.